Happy afternoon, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. I have 25 plus years of experience in teaching, training, counseling, and consulting, whereby I have already covered more than 1000 plus institutions and 250 plus organizations in India, almost mentored 1 lakh students and 50,000 teachers, faculty, trainers, executives, managers, senior managers. Presently, I am author of 4 books and 8 upcoming books by the end of December 2021. Let's start with a picture online soft skill education at Hyderabad. We are going to offer now, as Telangana is now over from lockdown and everything is now open up. So we are going to offer offline workshop for organizations and corporate. Yes, I repeat, offline workshop for organization and corporate on leadership and management skill under the banner Apeksha Online Soft Skill Education at Hyderabad. Why this workshop from Apeksha? That is very important. Every employee should know why they are supposed to go through, first of all, these type of workshop classes or program in your organization, whether it's offline or online. Earlier we were doing online workshop classes program for institutions or organizations all over India. As I said, I have already given my classes program workshop in this country, almost 20 countries, 20 states, 300 cities in India. Now it's offline program almost after 1 year, after lockdown is over. So offline program workshop for organizations and corporate on leadership and management skills. Let's understand why you need this workshop by us. Let's understand from the employer management point of view and then employees point of view. Every employer management wants GDP, gross domestic product, that is very high, you can say very rocking net profit. But employees want GDH, that is gross domestic happiness. Let's understand what is the difference between gross domestic product and GDH, that is gross domestic happiness. What basically employer want from the employees? They want every employee, almost in 99.99% organizations and corporate, even in institutions also, they want only 3 things from the employees. First, know more than others. Every employer want from their employees, they should know more than others, and employer give weightage to this point 30%. And it will be surprised for everyone, even employees is giving weightage to this point 30%, but they want it should be on continuous basis, that is career growth and continuous learning. Only then they are ready for this. Means no more than others. For employer is, for employee it's career growth and continuous learning. Weightage by both employer and employee is 30%. Now second point, work more than others. Every employer wants from their employees, every employee should work more than others. Employees are also ready. Definitely, their employer is giving 50% weightage to this point. Second point, work more than others. Employee is also giving this point 50%, but they want from the employers that there should be work-life balance, meaningful work, feedback and criticism, meaningful feedback and criticism, that is constructive feedback and criticism, job safety and security. Yes, employee want work-life balance, meaningful work, feedback and criticism, job safety and security, and the second point, that is work more than others, and weightage has been given by both employer and employee 50%. And the last but not the least, the third point is very important, expect less than others. Every employer wants from their employees expect less than others. Definitely employee also agree with this, but because employer wants less compensation, less benefit, less perks, in terms of less health benefit, less retirement benefit, employee is also ready for this, and they are giving the same weightage what employer is giving, 20% to this, but they want only from the employer that they should get respect, trust, appreciation, recognition, and empathy. If these 3 points has been given by the employer, employee also want these 3 points only, nothing else. And weightage has been given by the employees the same, that is 100%, now 30%, 50%, 20%. So weightage has been given the same by both the employer and employee, but they want these features from the employer, and employer want these 3 parts, that is no more than others, work more than others, no 9 to 5 job, and expect less than others in terms of compensation, benefits, perks, and other things. So here we will fill those gaps between employer and employee, so that employer satisfaction level, that is in terms of GDP, very awesome rocking net profit, and in terms of employees gross domestic happiness, both will be able to meet. And that's here a picture online soft skill education comes, and I have personally designed all content or curriculum in such a way that both the gap, whatever the gap is there between employer and employee in terms of these features, in the terms of these points, and in terms of these points, especially by the employer, because employer part is most important, so that employer will be able to satisfy employee, will be able to retain employee, will be able to attract employee, and there will be less turnover. So I will give you all, I will request all employer, please give us an opportunity to perform at least for 1 and 2 days. Just see on the basis of that performance, and then go for our package on leadership and management skill. There is package system, long workshop, long term workshop is there on this, so that you will be able to develop, or you can say being a polished executive, signing managers, young diplomats, young CEO, and future leaders you will be able to develop in your organization and corporate. So thank you so much. Again, I will repeat, offline workshop for organizations and corporate on leadership and management skill from Apeksha Online Soft Skill Education at Hyderabad. Thank you so much. May God bless you.